in shaping future leaders?
As a future teachers, the way uh, of teachers shaping future leaders. So for me, the role of our teacher and as a future educator, my role in shaping future leaders is that um, I can teach not only just opening a books, but opportunity for them to learn in wider or broader knowledge. Like it's not just about learning or what we call the banking method that we use. That students is just learning, just memorizing and then reciting what they have learned. I always thought to myself that when I will be becoming a teacher, I will always thought that um, I I will be a kind of teachers that I will always be a kind of teachers that who teach from the heart and always teach from the heart and always student um, gain knowledge from me. And I think I I think I shape future leaders by pointing out that um, a good leader must not be only a good leader must not only be a leaders. It is a kind of leaders that we have and a heart and a heart to lead and heart to lead and a heart to lead and good and how good minds think what will happen if or if decisions that uh, a good leaders must have good decisions to think what will happen next if we will do such things.